This is a brief overview of the infographic activity. One of the reasons I want to use it is that technology is coming at us left and right, and in our careers we have to try to keep on top of it. And it's kind of a fun activity, at least in my mind, and in the minds of students before you. I got the idea from reading this book. There's some links to this individual and his university, the course objectives and why we're doing this activity, and the 6 requirements for the activity. It's 200 words, but you're not counting the citation. And I've given you an example of a citation just simply to follow in APA formatting. You have 3 infographics for Yellow Dig. Each is tied to a course objective. The first 2 allow you to choose between, choose between different items so that everybody's not looking at the same thing. Remember, because you want to reply in Yellow Dig to someone else. Here are the 4 items that you can choose from for number 2. And because everybody's more or less in a different field, everyone will have something different to say about their career path. And then I give you the 2 tools to use to create these visuals. You can use whichever tool you want. Give you an assessment, which are tied directly to the ability to create, evaluate, and analyze. Then 2 things to avoid, and it's my pet peeve, putting dark lettering on dark background in PowerPoint is verboten because you can't read it. And alignment should be to the left, not all over the place in the middle. So I hope this 2-minute plus video answers any questions you may have.